So let's just check in and let's see the room. First time. First thing first, electricity and everything. So this is the room that I'm gonna stay for the next few days, as you can see. So first thing, I would like to check the view, and then I'll show you the entire room. The reason I got this room is the view in the first place. So yeah, check it out. Wow, this is amazing. Right on the beach. What a magnificent view. Yep. And this is the balcony, so we can, sit and chill. Yeah, and this is the room, double bed size. And we got telephone, remote, TV, which I don't think I'm gonna ever use it, and AC, which is something necessary in Maldives because it's really, really hot here. That's what they say. So I'll find it myself. I'll find out myself at the end. And some drinks, boiled water, and coffee in this cafe, and a closet, and yeah, a small fridge. I guess this will do the job. And a closet for clothes, and a deposit box, which I don't know. I think it's already broken. And yeah, somewhere to have my clothes. And the best part, this is the bathroom. Well, it looks spacious, to take a shower. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. And the toilet, and the sink, and shampoos, and the hair dryer, hello, and towels. So this is basically the shower and a tour to my room.